Hey everyone out there, my name is Dean. I want to tell you today about TradeMiner. Now, you might be thinking, what the heck is that? Well, I'm going to tell you right now. TradeMiner is a specialized research tool that is designed to scan the historical database of the stocks, futures, and Forex markets and find recurring trends and market cycles that have historically proven to be profitable 80%, 90%, or even 100% of the time. Now, that's what it says on the TradeMiner website, and I felt it was a very good description. That's why I quoted it verbatim. But the difference that might not be apparent with something like TradeMiner and other mentors or newsletters that kind of promote the same thing is that TradeMiner is a program designed for one thing and one thing only: penny stocks. Now, penny stocks, we'll go into in a minute, but, basically rather than paying someone to mentor you, which is usually how most people go when they start to get into the penny stock, exchange, what you're doing is you're paying for this program that will basically help you design your portfolio and help you make the correct picks. And that, of course, will make TradeMiner kind of expensive compared to most ventures, but it also makes it more useful in the literal sense of the job, which is why I like it so much. I mean, when you think about stuff here, it's important to think that, TradeMiner is definitely credited with discovering recurring trends and market cycles in the penny stock business. It does it well. It does it very well, in fact. It works on a Linux, Macs, and Windows, and, it's a software application that you only pay for one time. Again, another huge difference with TradeMiner versus other programs similar to this, there's no monthly recurring fees. That's where a lot of those programs make their money. That's also what makes me very suspicious of them, is that, they're basically subscriptions you're paying for. You think you're getting information that's valuable, and you're really not. TradeMiner does exactly what it says it's going to do. It's a one-time fee. You pay it, and then it continues to help you to the point of ad nauseum. And that's what I like about it. There's no BS with it, and it's just very cool. Also, too, you have to kind of understand penny stocks. I mean, basically, investments and success in stocks rely solely, on picks you make. A pick is a company or business you've chosen to support. So, in other words, you got to pick a really great business as your pick, or else you could tank pretty fast. So, the better the business does in the stock market, the more money you earn. That's, stock market trading 101. But if the business goes down in the stock market, you lose money you invested. Again, stock market 101. With penny stocks, it's almost impossible to do it on your own because it is a very volatile and capricious part of the industry. That's why they're penny stocks. But, what's nice is that if you understand how to trade with penny stocks, if you get the right resources, you'll make all the proper picks. And again, there's a lot of websites out there that claim to do this, and they can predict the trends the market will take in turn, what companies will do well, and a lot of them are just they're fake. But TradeMiner is one of those websites and software applications that actually does what it says, and again, it is very good. It's not something that has a losing track record by any means at all, because again, includes limited number of stocks, and again, they're basically only picking from stocks that aren't like the wild card stocks out there that just came on the market. Nobody has no idea what they're going to do because there's no history for TradeMiner to deal with there. So you're gonna get, I think, a lot of stocks that basically have had history to some point and are still penny stocks. But again, it's very, very intuitive, and the basic philosophy behind it really works. And because of that, a lot of traders I know do believe in patterns and cycles with the stock market, but again, anything could happen and cause stocks to stumble and crumble. And TradeMiner is somehow very acutely aware of that. I don't know how, but it's just the algorithms, the way it's made, and it's definitely updating. And again, you can also, by the way, you can have 3 different versions of TradeMiner. You can do futures, stocks, and Forex. Those, of course, 3 different types of trades you can do. And all 3 versions, again, they can be purchased collectively as a package, or you can purchase individually, and the price is somewhat high, but not really. I mean, it's nothing compared to what you'll be making on the stock market once you start using this. So one last thing to understand: it is not a trading system. It is a tool that will help you increase the odds of a trade. But think about it, just because a stock follows a certain pattern in the past doesn't mean it'll repeat it with 100% certainty in the future. Because if a program like that existed, no one would sell it. They'd use it for themselves so that they would be making $1 billion, and that just doesn't happen. So this does exactly what it says. It will find you consistent patterns in the past and use those patterns to your advantage, and that is awesome. It's truly incredible. I've used it many times. I've learned so much because of it. I've done very well in the Forex market as a result of what I've used with TradeMiner. And again, I think it's just a great overall valuable tool to help somebody who doesn't live, near Wall Street, and you live in the middle of nowhere, Idaho, and no offense to people in Idaho, and just you want to trade, but you need a little bit of help. Well, TradeMiner is the way to go. So look, if this is interesting to you, hopefully it is, and hopefully you can check it out and you can enjoy it. I want you to see for yourself. Don't take my word for it. Go check it out for yourself. All you have to do, okay, is just do one thing. Click the link below this video. That's all you got to do. And if you do that, you're actually going to get a special exclusive bonus and offer for your business if once you start getting in there. So just click the link right below here and you'll get a special exclusive offer, or you can visit the website directly at metabay.net/TradeMiner. Once again, that's metabay.net /TradeMiner, TradeMiner, metabay.net /TradeMiner, TradeMiner, in case you didn't get that. Or just click the link, and like I said, you'll get a really, really awesome offer, and probably like it. So look, if this is for you and you want to check it out, I highly encourage you to do so. I highly encourage you to give it a shot just because it's worked for me. But again, that's not necessarily a reason to do it. I would say check it out for yourself, and I don't think you'll be disappointed because, like I said, there isn't any puffing up what it does or what it doesn't do. It's basically a tool, and if you use the tool correctly and you use it consistently, you will see more often than not that you will succeed rather than fail with it. And I think that's the best kind of tool there is out there. So enjoy, have fun. Good luck to all of you out there that want to use TradeMiner to increase your success with your picks. And again, if you're interested in the penny stocks, this would be a very safe way to really get into it without risking too much all at once. Okay, so give it a shot, and again, click the link below this video and you'll be well on your way to doing just that. Have a good one, guys, and good luck and take care.